So last year I worked on a short film. It's like a horror film. It was a student film and it's called Element-119. I was an actor in it, and actually it went online recently, and upon watching it I was like a little bit disappointed because the color grading, no offense to the person who color graded it, the color grading was not up to my standard. And I felt like there was a lot that could have been done to improve it. And so I asked permission if I could edit and republish, so should I say, because it's already online, republish the film before I show it to my audience. And I got permissions for that. And so that's what I've been doing for the past few days. It's exciting. I'm going to quickly show you how the color grading was before and how it is after with all the color grading effects that I've put on. And it's been very difficult actually to re-edit a finished film that's already had all the grading put on it, and the sound has been quite tricky. With the sound, there were some issues regarding dialogue being very quiet, so you couldn't really hear what people were saying that much. The music seemed to take over a bit. But I'm going to quickly show you now actually what it looks like and what it did look like. This is how the shot did look. Very dark. Josh's face is a bit dark there. You can't really see his face too much. And with the effects on, I've got lots of color grading things going on here, and I will explain them in another video if anyone is interested in how I do all this. But that's so much better. I'll give you another example. So this here, let's go to this shot. This shot. There you go, that's a nice one. Right, so we can go, and to be honest, I'm still not 100% happy with how this looks. I mean, it looks much better, but not 100% happy. This is, oh, I've done it again with the adjustment there. So this is how it looks with the effects off, very dark, and effects on. There's some things, like, I'll give you one more example. So this shot here, this shot was very bad. It was very, very bad. It was actually so bad that you couldn't see what was going on. It's so dark and you can't make out what's going on. And when I actually boosted the brightness, it started creating all this grain around the image. And so basically, I thought about a video that I watched once, and it was like, if there's a problem with your footage, turn the problem into a feature instead of trying to hide it. So that's exactly what I did. I made it black and white because there was no color left in the image. It was all distorted. I placed a noise reduction to reduce some noise. And then I actually added more grain over the top to make it look like it was purposely done. This film is going to be going online very soon. And I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And I've done my best. I've done my best trying to fix it. And I really hope that you all like it.